Alright, so we've got them installed. I think that they look pretty darn good, and I mean, look at that mobility there. And the front ones, you know, even though they're a teeny bit smaller, I mean, they really aren't that much smaller. Really like them though. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I figured that I would take a little bit of time today and install some mud flaps on my new Model 3 Performance. I have noticed that I've only had it for 2 weeks and the roads around here are just so nasty and grimy and gravelly and salty. I don't know, there's just so much stuff on the road, it's not even funny. But I've already got some paint damage, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But I went on Amazon and got 4 mud flaps for like $32, so I'll share that with you guys so that you can see it. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. Definitely go ahead and check those out. I like the way that they flex. I think that they're going to be great. But I just wanted to go over a quick little installation video. Super duper easy. I mean, we're going to pop out these clips, we're going to pop in the mud flaps, and then, you know, pop in the new clips that they gave us with the mud flaps. I'm only going to do the front mud flaps today. The back mud flaps have a special tool that, you know, you take out one of the screws in the back, so I want to clean the car and get it all prepped and ready for that. But I figured in the meantime I'll go ahead and install the front mud flaps with you guys today. I'll throw the other ones in this same video whenever I get that filmed. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll show you guys what we're working with here in just a moment. Alright guys, so we are working with the Cyber Beans mud flaps. Again, they were like $32 whenever I purchased them. These are the front two. It recommends having a flathead screwdriver, and then these are the clips, or the flaps and the clips. So they're pretty nice quality, I think. I mean, they move nicely, they look right. The back ones are a little bit bigger, as you can see here in the picture. I don't have them out and about right this moment, but I'll show this to you guys in a little bit once we get these installed. It says that we're going to go ahead and turn the wheel to get it all set up and ready to go, and then we're going to pop out the original clips, put the mud flap on, and insert the new clips that we have, and yeah, that'll be an install. So super duper simple. There are probably lots of these on the internet, but you know what, nobody does it like Cam, so let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, and I also wanted to quickly just show you guys the little bit of damage that I referenced a little earlier. So yesterday I went to the car wash using the pressure washer. All right, so yeah, using the pressure washer, and you know, I went down here, I was trying to get this area nice and clean-ish if I could, and yeah, just totally knocked off the paint right there. I guess that a rock had jumped up and scratched it. It really sucks. I mean, literally like 2 weeks of ownership and already having paint gone to the wayside. So like I said, we're gonna get these mud flaps installed here. Fingers crossed it all works out. You know, real quick on these Uber turbines, I don't love them. They don't ride as nicely as I would like them to. So I want to get some 18s and put on some bigger tires and stuff just to have a nicer ride. But overall, they're a lot better than I expected they would be. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the wheel here real quick, and then we'll get started on the install. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install this guy first here. It should just go right there, nice and easy, nothing too crazy. Alright, so I'm going to start by cleaning off this little area here where the new mud flap will live, and it is just gross. These are microfiber cloths, by the way, that I got from the store. Wow, this car is just so dirty. Crazy, I've already got paint chips in here. Doesn't take long for that stuff to happen. Alright, let's see if we can pop these out real quick. And of course, it's starting to rain. Oh boy, let's hope and pray that I don't do this wrong and fuck up anything. Sitting on the stars, keep them locked up. Don't know how to get them, no. Wish I knew what, wish I knew what, wish I knew what was on now.
Which way is up? Which way is up? Which way is up? I got that. Feeling like I'm on lockdown. Feeling like that's a cop out. You kept me up all night long. I wish I could get up, but I left it all.
Yeah, there we go. There's one. Don't scratch the rim cam. Oh boy. Okay. This. Alright, so you can kind of tell which ones are the outer and which ones are the inner. These ones are the outer, these ones are the inner, so they go in like that. Alright, let's see if we can get these installed here. The old one out of the way. There's the other old one. Alright. Let's go here on this far side first. Boom. And bam, there it is. That was super easy. Wow. Inside. Wow. That was awesome. Boom, there it is, installed. So we're going to do that another time here on the other side, and I'll catch you guys over there in a second. Yeah, I know, guys. I know. It's not looking pretty. It's not looking pretty. There's already shit all over the place in there. That there. That's about right. Okay. So, let that hang out. Do this far one first. Outer, inner. There it is. Awesome. And outer, inner. Boom. There we go. And that's on there, guys. I mean, look at how much give that is. I think that's going to be great. So looking forward to that. Hopefully saving some of the rest of the paint. As I showed you guys on the other side, the paint's already all messed up. So really sad. But that's what happens whenever you have a car and you drive it, right? You gotta clean these rims. Okay, I'll check back in with you guys, a little bit later whenever we do the back end and see what that's all about. All right, guys. So you joined me a couple of days after installing those front mud flaps. Just kind of wanted to give you a quick update. I did not install the back mud flaps just yet. We're going to do that in a moment. But I really think that the front mud flaps honestly did pretty amazing so far. I mean, it's been rainy and nasty and stuff ever since, I filmed that video, and minus the imperfection there, I really think that everything is looking pretty good. They're wide. They do a good job of like catching some of what the tire is going to give. I mean, the tire, pretty much where the tread is where this edge is. So, definitely doing more than not. Hopefully it will continue to do well. But let's go ahead and install these back mud flaps here. Again, we've got the Cyber Beans mud flaps, and they're looking pretty meaty. So I'm super excited to get these on. Only 2 clips here, this guy and this guy underneath here. So, we're going to get in there and I'll show you where they are. Let's see if I can get the camera switch around here. All right, so back here, you can see there is the one clip. I know it's super dark, but there is that clip. And we're going to go under the car here so that you can hopefully see Is it this one? I believe that it's this one, guys. So we're going to go ahead and undo that. If that is not correct, I will be sure to let you know in just a moment. But I'm going to go ahead and start working on these. Let's see what happens. All right, this one is a teensy bit difficult to get to here, but we're going to go ahead and... actually, that was a ton easier than the front one. All right, I'm going to actually need a different bit for this. We find the right bit. Close. 5/16, a little bit bigger than 5/16. All right, 7/16 work, guys. Go. Ooh, I don't know if I like. Okay. Alright, so it's definitely like all on the paint here, but could be worse. So all up in there, but look at that give. Alright, let's get it. How's that looking? Is that okay? Yeah, sure, it's fine. Alright, so we got one clip. One clip on this one. So it looks like we'll have some extra clips. Kind of get it hand tight. Just put a little bit of pressure on the bottom there. All right, we'll call that good. So there it is. And then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side here. Get my clips. Oh, guys. They gave me a tool this whole time. All right, so we've got them installed. I think that they look pretty darn good. And I mean, look at that mobility there. So, pretty awesome. And the front ones, you know, even though they're a teeny bit smaller, I mean, they really aren't that much smaller. Really like them though. So here's your shot from the side. I know it's a little bit difficult to see, but it is definitely going to stop some of the rocks from flying around, and maybe even, who knows, save some of the paint chips. That would be nice. Just cleaned her. Didn't do a very good job, but that's life, isn't it? Oh yeah, always have her plugged in, even if it is on the 110. There's this side. I actually think that this side looks pretty darn good. What am I saying? The whole car looks great. It's amazing. Boom, there it is. I don't know why Tesla doesn't, you know, make it come with mud flaps on the Performance for, you know, there really shouldn't be an extra cost, but ooh, looks kind of aggressive from this angle. All right, guys, so, you know, we're finished here with the mud flaps. Also wanted to show you, just in case you weren't aware, I did black out my tees. It was, I don't know, $17, $18 on Amazon. They were, you know, sticky on the back, and you just kind of pressed them on there after you peeled off the little sticky part, and got the back too. And we'll be removing that dual motor here anytime. So, you know, those are the two aftermarket things that I've done to the Tesla so far. I don't really know what more I could do other than getting some different rims and tires, which is on the agenda. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to do that, but definitely looking forward to getting that done at some point in time in the near future. But you know, thanks again for checking in with me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys throw some like $32 cyber beans, you know, mud flaps on your car. No, I am not sponsored by anybody. Obviously, I would think that you would know that, but who knows? Maybe I blow up between now and whenever this video goes live. I doubt it. So anyways, thank you guys for checking out another video. That dual motor will be gone soon. I guess I really didn't clean her very well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another video on the old Cam channel here. I'll see you on the next one.